Hey, thank you so much for taking us up on the offer and the invitation to join us in a Quill Cup Prickle. I'm Anya Ray, the co-founder and CEO of Quill Cup, an international community for women who write. We make rest a non-negotiable, but we also do the dang thing. We don't just talk about writing, we don't just learn about it, we are there figuring it out. Since Quill Cup opened its doors in 2021, we have helped authors publish more than 45 books, and more are coming. We have seen writers get agented. We've seen authors make bestseller lists. We've seen writers become USA Today bestselling authors. We are making it happen here in the Hedgie House, and you are now being invited to take part in that tradition and that success. So whether you're using this prickle in order to write or edit or brainstorm or outline or market your work, we are here for it. A prickle is called a prickle because quill and cup, you might think of a hedgehog, and a group of hedgies is a prickle. I can't take credit. My co-founder and husband, Cody, is the master namer around here. So what to expect on this very first prickle? Well, this is what we call a progress prickle. And so I will host you, and at the top of the hour, log on. You can have cameras on or cameras off, depending on your comfort level, but you'll notice that for the most part, everyone has cameras on because in Quill Cup, we believe that it is just us. If we can't show up as fully ourselves, then we are not in the right community. And so you're obviously getting to know us. If you would practice 20% trust, that we will meet you where you are and celebrate that you're with us, then I believe that that trust will expand as you continue on throughout the prickle or throughout your experience at Quill Cup. But truly, there's no expectation for you to become a member. It's very much a let's make progress together. So I'm going to very simply ask what your name is, where you're writing from, a little bit about what you're writing. It could be genre, it could be a quick log line or premise, but don't panic. If you aren't quite sure and you're just like, I just wanted to make a little progress on my fantasy, that's enough. We just want to be here to make progress with you so that you get the vibe, so that you can feel what that body doubling does. If you are neurospicy, you will really benefit from seeing a hedgie literally in your corner, so that if you feel uncomfortable, if you feel like you want to bounce because this writing process is hard, because it is hard, you will be more likely to stay put and write on and get into flow. At the end of the hour, we'll celebrate what we did. We'll get our dopamine hit from achieving something. We'll get our oxytocin from being in community. We'll get our serotonin because we always laugh at these things. And most importantly, you will have left with a little bit more progress than you started with when you logged on. I can't wait to welcome you to what we call our kitchen table that extends beyond the Zoom screen. But ultimately, we just want to get to know you. It's curiosity, and you can't be curious and judge someone at the same time. So trust that we are leaning in with full curiosity. We are not cliquey here. We are very much a, hi, who are you? Let's write together. Looking forward to seeing you. See you soon.